Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking essentials. Free storage above 500 MB and battery over 20%, then open your chosen editor. Duplicate the photo so you keep the original. This protects you if edits go wrong. Next, crop to the intended frame, decide whether you need a 16:9 or square composition, and lock the crop. Once done, straighten horizons and correct major tilt. These first moves set the canvas, and you avoid wasting time fixing composition later. You now refine light and color. Start with exposure, nudging in 1 to 0. 5 steps until highlights aren't blown and shadows keep detail. Then add contrast to define midtones, recover highlights, and lift shadows. This expands perceived dynamic range. Once the tonal balance feels right, correct white balance so skin tones and neutrals look natural. Use the eyedropper or temperature slider. Finally, increase vibrance slightly and reduce saturation if colors look oversaturated. This keeps skin and skies believable. You finish by applying local tweaks. Use selective brushes to brighten eyes, dodge shadows, or reduce glare. Work subtly. Add sharpening around edges at 30 to 50% and only a little noise reduction so texture remains natural. Then export at high quality. Choose JPEG 80 to 100% for a good size/quality trade-off, or PNG if you need lossless. If colors or banding appear, recheck white balance, lower clarity, or aggressive filters, and re-export. That single troubleshooting step fixes most export problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.